Yeah, man.
मैटर
I say something, their opinion may be different, but they are the decision. Also, it's also call for a meeting of the whole body and take a policy. Respecting this issue.
No, but as a Gram Sevak, what is your opinion?
No, I don't want to give any opinions.
No, your Gram Sevak, you have a say, no? And तुम काय कर?
My company, I don't want to comment.
You don't want to comment on what?
On the issue.
You do not want to comment that you put your signature as a Gram Sevak on the document for a project of this magnitude. As a Gram Sevak, officially as per the Panchayat Raj Act, you do not want to comment on that. My whole understanding is that you are a government servant. Today government is somebody's, tomorrow it could be my government. So if you have signed a document as a Gram Sevak, whether it is today or whether it is 3 years from today, you will be taken to court for signing a wrong document. So you do not want to say anything on that.
No, whatever I have done is as per law.
You have signed as per law, as a Gram Sevak within your law. And which is that law you are talking about? As a Gram Sevak that you have signed as per law.
No,
Which is
whatever
that?
documents that I have signed,
Yeah.
the license, the construction license for this construction, is as per law.
So Gram Sevak is authorized to sign the construction license as per law.
No, let me go and ask the director if you are challenging my designation.
Your designation, no, because you are signing. I am looking at the law, no, the Panchayat Raj Act and your position. Your positions are to support and to do this particular direction. But director, definitely we will ask. But this is you are sitting over here. You are the one who has signed.
I have signed as an officiating secretary in this place.
Officiating secretary, Gram Sevak officiating secretary signed projects which is damaging the village. That is what you are trying to explain to us.
What I am only trying to tell you that I have signed a document with the secretary of this country.
No, but to revoke करपा तू किती आहे कोणा मुखार किती सोना?
How can I revoke?
What is your say? What is your individual say here?
No, I don't want to comment on that. I cannot give individual says.
You take back your this no. You take back your signatures.
Let the body take a.
Body करपा दे कोतोले. तू तुगे कोर मारे.
I cannot do.
Why you cannot do? Reason किती? तू कसे असना?
Let the body take a decision.
अरे body separate होले या body कडे होलो या. तुगे decision तू कित्या पदून हाट घे ना.
मला ते घेऊन नाही होणार.
कित्या म्हणना?
मला नाही होणार.
कोण या ट्रान्सफर जावर तू दुसऱ्याकडून प्रॉब्लेम कित्या? हिंगा कित्या? तू हेडेक केन कित्या बसता? गोयचो लोक जोय तुम्हाला राजा आपको तुका. You remove your signature out and get yourself
कोण
transferred.
कोयता ते पो- You don't press upon me.
I'm not pressing. How can I press? I will press upon you if I take you
told
to
you I
court.
cannot. It's already.
If I take
already.
if I take you individual to court, matter is not on court with you. If I individually take you to court, then I'm pressing you. Not with this dialogue I'm pressing you. When the whole of Goa is coming here every day, you are telling me that I'm pressing you. This is pressing.
Let it be. It's in the court. No, let the court take a call on that.
What the court has to take a call on what? On your role or on the project?
On the project.
But we are talking about your role. About your role over here of signing this document. We are not talking about the project. Court or project घातलोच. I am bifurcating two different things.
Yeah. So go and ask the director about it.
Director, तू किती चालतो मला? You are holding the chair. Director, we will ask only. Chief Minister also we will ask. But why are you doing this? आज आपके गोवा थे तो why are you individually trying to hang the whole of Goa now? एक मुनीस, how long your job can get protected like this? Unnecessary. तू फटाफट मर. Day by day you are going into trouble. By day all these discussions are going to be part of evidence when somebody takes you individually, for a legal task. All these are going to be part of documentation. All these conversations, जे जितले उलयले and गेले, all these conversations are finally going to go. It is just a matter of time. Everybody is now going to the court for the project. Somebody will go on your individual risk. You try to understand that part. No, government servant.
Because somebody wants to do something, he's free to
Nobody,
do.
everybody is free.
Yeah.
But finally you are going to fall into a situation. No, this is a situation
Then I
getting
will be in the
created.
situation when
So as of now, you are not willing to change your stand. You are not willing.
I cannot
to
change my
क्या
stand
change
on that.
है ना?
I cannot change.
क्या है ना?
Which provision of laws?
Which
This
provision
I
of
can
laws does not allow you to take back your आजकाल एनओसी डील झाल्या ती देखो रिवोक जात
So
मध्ये.
you show me the provision law, I will do it.
With what is the provision? You make an affidavit and say that I please take back my signatures. झालं बरं का? This is the law. सांगितलं. Make an affidavit and say all my signatures dated on so and so documents. I try to take off. You take back बरं. This is for Goa उलो. इंग हाटला जाते तुझे फोटो घाल्या. पंचायतीन that you have done this. Do it no. इतलं प्रेशर घेऊन तू आता सद्दा. We have been watching you every day. You are on this pressure.
You agree. But whatever you say, does it come within the ambit of law?
Why doesn't it come within the ambit
Show
of
me
law?
the law.
First of all, you are a gram sevak. First of all, you are a gram sevak. You are officiating secretary. As a gram sevak, first of all, your posting itself is putting everybody into a situation. All your posting itself is putting yourself into a situation. कोण कोणा सांभाळपाना याद दवरून गेले. कोण कोणा सांभाळपाना. ज्या दिसा तुझे फार येता त्या दिसा कोण सांभाळपाना. People are actually going to protect you if you are trying to.
Far mal law, and I don't get scared of all those things.
तू भिवपा गरज ना रे. I am not talking about you getting scared. I am talking about you are going to spoil your career.
That I will see.
You will see, no, you will spoil your career. No, God is great, but not for such things. God is great for Eka. God is great Eka. Example, not for such things. God is not great for such things. We will definitely tell the director. You don't think that I am someone who is going to come here and just go away. Not only the director. You will see what is going to happen with your name now. I तू मेतेरू जाऊ ना. आणि हांव गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंटा हाटना जोशी लागना. But if you are going to show this kind of a presentation here, then definitely it is going on an individual. For you taking misuse, dismiss of power म्हणून स्वप्नेशान सांगलेलें. Actually dismiss of power हे तुम्ही गेले. तुम्ही सगळे अश करताय. होयत थिंगसोन. बदलार बसून पावर तुमकां हा पंचायत राज एक्टा प्रमाणे कितें कोताय. Dismiss of power we will take knowledge from everybody. आमची नादी. आणि तू किती मिस ऑफ पावराचे घातले चोय कित करताय ते तुका. You don't think that this you will take me and you are talking what you are talking is there as evidence. As a secretary, officiating secretary, gram sevak, and you are able to sign this kind of projects as a officiating secretary. आणि ग्राम सेवक officiating secretary करपा जायना. आणि तू गायलो तो एक पैसा द्या against the law. आणि तू गायल म्हणटा तू कोत्ते against the law. And now you are telling me you go do this, you go do that. पैसा द्या disciplinary action येले. तू उलयत तमकडे. आणि एक जर कितें जालें जाल्यार one part of this goes to you. That you are responsible. Are you, again I am asking you and I am requesting you, could you take back your signatures, revoke the body ko ulaya. We will call upon the Sarpanch, we will talk to them, the entire Goa is watching. Are you able to individually take back your signatures which you have put as an officiating secretary? Gram Sevak appointed as officiating secretary, signed on the document. Are you able to take back these? Saying बाब आपल्या नाका लोका नाका आपल्या दित जाल्यार दोर आपल्यागे सिरीज ना जाल्यार तुका जाय तें कर. Are you able to do this? Can you do it?
If the body takes the call, definitely.
Body का body ना रे तू गेले. Individual, you do not want to take your signatures back from the project.
It's not a question of me taking it back. I cannot do it as per law.
Why you cannot take it as per law? You take back, no? You take back your signatures. Okay, fine. But anyway, you are under pressure. Your entire body language for the last so many months has been seen. You are under pressure. So that is good enough to prove in any court of law that you are under pressure. And you have taken back. So then says the body, no? Once you have taken back, then the body also remains there. Then the body is forced to take back. You as a government servant. Zaina?
According to the reply we got from the mega project, the reply has come to you all. So-called reply has come to you all. We have read, Mr. Panch member here, Madhu Karwalo has read everything that day at the meeting on the 18th. reading everything is explained properly, don't you think that whatever they have mentioned, putting allegations against you all only, instead of our panchayat, should we keep quiet for them? You like these big companies coming, outside companies coming to go and putting allegations on us?
So reply so satisfactory nahi no.
So,
So तेजरी
How
cancel
can you
no.
protect these people that you know the reply, no sir? You should be audited the replies, you know.
What
The
no
so-called reply
dekha
is come already. No?
तेजरी त्यांच्या
If you read the so-called reply, it is nothing supporting Goa.
ते स्वतः
Of Goa.
सांगतायत,
He is telling us the reply
नाही
is
म्हणते
coming.
डायरेक्ट तुझ्या कॅन्सल करपात न्हू रिवोक करपात
Reply municipality करूया.
सेकंडली तेगे एलिगेशन जाणी आहे पैशांची
ते बरोवन
ते
दिलो
ते
हांवें
एक्सेप्टेड
रिटर्न दिलो हांवें
पण जे ते तुम शोपात रिप्लाय येईल ते सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी ना म्हणते डायरेक्ट रिवोक करपात
शोकस दिले पण इथे
होय, नाही.
शोकस
होय, ते
already
मीटिंग
mention
तुमच्या
केलं.
गावांनी गेली नाही नाही तो तूं सेक्रेटरीची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी न्हू ती गायड करपाची कितें नेक्स्ट एक्शन कितें
We are speaking to your
रिप्लाय येईल
officials.
तुका रिप्लाय येयली रिप्लाय सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी ना तो आनी टायम दितलो तेका ते फाटी आनी टायम दितलो
लीगल ओपिनियन घेवचें डिसिजन घेतलो
ना तेगे रिप्लाय येयली न्हू तुका तेको ना परमिशन ना म्हणजे रिवोक जालें तेका आन्सर कोण दी मागीर कित्याक रिवोक केलें
The
तें
newly elected
Take action
deputy
you
also said no that within 7 days if the permission doesn't come, if the norms are not proper, he will revoke it. He'll come on the media. So,
आमी सांगपाक गेले आमी पंचायत हे जाल्लो
He should keep his
Direct
word.
revoke करपाचें.
for the meeting.
Yeah.
They had a meeting opinion on that. No?
Yeah,
But he is
attend
so
the
much
meeting was not
dependent.
done.
He is so much dependent on
The
them.
meeting
He
was
doesn't want to
the
take.
advisory.
कित्याक जाय तो तेगे रिप्लाय तेणें सांगो डायरेक्ट ना स्टार्टिंगाचें बी परमिशन ना तें कडेन
तेणे रॉंग रिप्लाय दिला तेजेर आमी लिगल ओपिनियन कित्याक घेवपाचो कितें एलिगेशन घालतलो
सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी ना म्हणजे तुवें
सो
घालूं
वी कॅनॉट टेक ओपिनियन ऑन दियर रिप्लाय
Yeah.
वी हॅव टू टेक ओपिनियन बिफोर सेंडिंग द शो कॉज
Yeah,
नोटीस
okay.
आनी शो कॉज नोटीस धाडप म्हणल्यार पंचायतीन कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट केलो कितें कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट केलें तो म्हणटा आपल्या बरे रुल्सान हाय म्हण आपल्यान ती सायन मारली आतां रिप्लाय कित्याक धाडली तुवें तर सारकी सायन मारलो जाल्यार रिप्लाय कितें म्हूण धाडली की 7 दिसां भितर तुमकां एनओसीज एंड परमिशन नाय ती दिवची आनी तेंच ते धाडले उपरांत ते आमकां रिप्लाय कोताय आमकडे सर्टन परमिशन एप्लाय केलाय आनी आमकां नाय ती म्हणटाय सो दॅट मिन्स कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी जालोय बी आनी तेय बी एक्सेप्ट कोताय की तेंकां हें डॉक्युमेंट नाय सो दॅट इज अ ग्रावंड आनी आमगे एक पीडीए टेक्निकल लायसन्स बीन सकल पुरयता एनी मिसरिप्रेझेंटेशन एनी मिसलिडींग एनी
document is not
मिसकन्सेप्शन
available.
ऑथॉरिटी दिता पंचायत डायरेक्ट रिजेक्ट करून फायल भायर मारपाची So why are we following the procedures which are not meant for us?
तेका लिगल ओपिनियन कित्याक जाय तुका
So the body itself is
तूं गायड
illegal.
करपा जाय तेका तूं गायड करपा तुवें तेका सांग इलिगल ओपिनियन नाका म्हणून
And the
तूं सांग
body,
तेका
body itself is
सेक्रेटरी टू कंप्लेन न्हू
Administration तून चलयत न्हू.
तूं तेका सांग न्हू इलिगल ओपिनियन नाका
you guide them properly because they are illegal people who are not
त्यांना
knowing
technical
the
knowledge असताना
knowledge.
व lawyer खबर
Knowledge
असताना
for-
you are the
for
one
knowledge and
who-
extortion आहे.
See, they are part of allegation and Bhutani themselves are saying that extortion केला डिमांड केलाय पैशांचे आणि जी रिप्लाय केला ती तुजेरूय एलिगेशन घालताय आणि तेंचेरूय एलिगेशन घालताय नॉट मेंटेनेबल अंडर लॉ म्हणटाय ते सो तेगे रिप्लायाकूच तेका ते हें करताय रॉंग म्हणटाय तेणें रिप्लाय बरयली ते कितें म्हळ्यार नॉट मेंटेनेबल अंडर लॉ म्हणटाय ते दॅट मिन्स ते सेक्रेटरीकूय एलिगेशन करताय की तू फेक रिप्लाय करता
मेन
म्हणटाय
पर्सन सेक्रेटरी न्हू सायन मारपा लायसन्स दिवपा सेक्रेटरी
कॉपी सॉफ्ट कॉपी आर शेअर विथ यू
You are not fearing God. You are not fearing God. I don't know what could happen to you. You are not fearing. You are, I don't know. You have some supernatural power. But हाँ एकू सांगता. I will not stop this gentleman and I will not tell him to stop his fast. या राखणदार हांवें असेंब्ली सांगलेलें प्रत्येक गांवांत एक राखणदार आहा आज हो राखणदार we will call out for more people morning from 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock till evening 7 o'clock to stay for fast हांव हें सांगपाना की तूं बंद करून फास्ट कित्याक आज हेजे असलो मनीस जर तर दुयेंत जालो आनी हॉस्पिटलांत पडलो तुजे असो मनीस लायफ टायमा गेलो याद दवर तो हाल हॉस्पिटलांत पडलो न्हू तूं आनी तुगे डायरेक्टर आनी तुगे जितली ब्युरोक्रेसी आहा न्हू हेजे फाटल्यान दे आर गोइंग टू हॅव अ प्रॉब्लम द डे ही विकन्स आनी द डे ही इज गोइंग टू फॉल डावन that is going to be a big mess for Goa. गोंयकारांनी आनी मागीर मुखार आनी हाट सोडपाना फाटल्या दिसान कितें जालें तें चोय तुमी So that kind of I don't know what kind of a situation. So that situation is going to arise, and it is going to happen because of one Orville Wallace, no, right? One Orville Wallace, bureaucrat, and your name will be known for what you have been doing. But we will going to take out this issue so strongly that everybody will have to finally transfer at large. That is one part of it. But finally you are going to have issues where your job is concerned, because it is going to make your life very miserable, because your signatures on it are not appropriate. You are not doing justice to your chair. You are misusing your power, and by misusing this power, you are going against the laws that has been laid down by the Panchayat Raj Act. Total misuse of powers, and this is perfect example. एक सेक्रेटरी आएगा आणि एक कडेवर आमचे सरपंच आहेत जे मिसयूज ऑफ पॉवर करतात बदलाचे. So I think we are not going to tolerate this, and I have seen the Sankwal how the villages are. We will not allow this project. Plus, we will not allow the people who are initiating these projects holding this chair. Amit Mukarani, and we are not going to allow you all to make proper decisions like this. I am first of all going to take action against you. I and both of us are going to put up a legal draft against you for misusing of your power. I am telling you, this is, I don't know whether this sounds like a threat, but this is a proper message as a legislative MLA
Misuse केला न्हू, त्याने guide करपा जाय, as a
we are
secretary.
telling you that we are going to officiate this against you.
Stop order.
Power
करपाची
misuse
पावर जालो न्हू. त्यांक मागीर खंय तें वचलें.
बट लेट मी क्लॅरिफाय, हो जो सेक्रेटरी हा न्हू, होच आसलो 9 म्हयन्यांत आमी सफर जाताय रस्त्याचेर. सगळे रेजिडेंट जावन एक्टिविस्ट म्हणनाका, लोक म्हणनाका, ऑपोजिशन आमकां दोग जाण पंच सारके हाटी हाय हो प्रोजेक्ट आमकां नाका म्हण. तुळशीदास नायक आनी मायसेल्फ मावेल्यो करवा. ह्या सेक्रेटरीकूय तो प्रोजेक्ट नाका, पूण हो सेक्रेटरी खंय तरी ते 3 जाणां डिफेंड करता.
कित्याक करपाक?
सोडून तो तेच्या फाटल्यान
आपण सारका हा तो त्याच्या कायद्या प्रमाण तो फॉलो करता, पूण खंय तरी तो बॅलन्सिंग करता त्या 3 जाणां सेव्ह करपाक. हांव कितें म्हणटा, देव तूं सांगत ते भाशेन देव चयता तेका. तो बरो मनीस, ताणें काडीच बरें, ताणें म्हाकाय सांगलो मावरिलो हो प्रोजेक्ट आपल्याक नाका, प्लीज म्हणपा लागलो. तूं लोकांक सांग आपूण ते विरोध आहा त्या प्रोजेक्टार. हांव तरी म्हणटा तूं एक डिक्लेरेशन बरोवन दी, ते 3 जाण तुका फोर्स करताय म्हण. तेंची नांव दी, तुमी नांव दिनाय, लोक जाणा आनी आमी ऑपोजिशन पंच जाणाय. आनी ते 3 जाण कोण पयर उरलाय ते, लास्ट उरलो ते धांवन गेलाय ते 3 जाण. हे सारखे टोटल आहाय इनवॉल्व हे प्रोजेक्टान. पण हांव तुमकां काय म्हणना, तुमी आहाय मरे, तुमकांय देव आसा, तुमकांय भुरगीं बायल आसाय. लोकांगे आनी गांवचे आनी गोंयचो आख्खो वर्ल्ड चोयता, आमकां मेसेज येताय, कॉल्स येताय, मावरेलियो तुमी बरें करताय, ऑपोजिशन बरें करताय, लोक बरें करताय, एक्टिविस्ट बरें करताय, आमगे ऑपोजिशन MLAs बरें करताय म्हणटाय. पूण हो असलो भुटानी कित्याकूच भायर सरना काय म्हणटा. सो हू इज भुटानी? दिल्लीकार गोंयकारां डॉमिनेट करतलो आनी गोंयकारां इकती कोण घेयले? हे पळय ह्या 3 जाणां विकती कोण घेयले? हे डेल्लीकारान घेयले. आनी हिंगाय आतां बसलो तो भुटानी बसला, हूंय हे डेप्युटी सरपंच, हिंगा डेप्युटी चलयता, हिंगा सरपंच बेश्टी नांवाची आसता, हिंगा डेप्युटी कॉल शॉट्स करता. आयज तेच्याच वाड्यान भुटानी येता हो वालीस म्हणटाय तो. आनी आमगे सेक्रेटरी काय कितले फावट सांगला, हांव सदां बसून आसता तेजे फुड्यान. तो कांय रॉंग करना हिंगा, पूण ते येताय ताका प्रेशर करताय. आयज म्हाका भिरांत आमगे सेक्रेटरीन कितें रॉंग स्टेप घेवन आपल्यागे लायफ रिस्कार घालीत म्हण. ही आमकां जावपा नाका. एज असलो मनीस आमकां मेवपा ना. बिकॉज हांव कितले फावट आय एम अ स्ट्रॉंगेस्ट ऑपोजिशन इन दीस पंचायत. वी फायट, ते दिस तूं मिडियारूय पळयला, तरी हांव तेजे बरो आसता, कित्याक हांव जाणा तो रॉंग ना. पूण तो लोकांक प्रेशर,
बट यू हॅव टू टेक युअर कॉल बॅक. रॉंग ना आनी तो प्रेशरायज जावन कितें करतलो तेश कोन्न जाल्यार संवसारूच सोडच पडलो, कोणाकूय कांय म्हणूं जायना. जसं म्हाका कोणें कितें म्हणलें जाल्यार हांव जीव दितो म्हणून सगळ्यांक रावच पडलें. हालां भाडाल्या जर जमीन विकिता चोता, शेतां चोता, आनी लोक जरी तरी म्हाका प्रोटेस्ट करता, वेन्स जीव हँग करीत म्हूण, सुसायड करीत म्हूण लोकांक नोकराक पडलें. अशें करून बिल्डर संवसार जाता. तूं आनी कितें सांगता? यू कॅनॉट टॉक लायक दीस. भितर आनी जीव दितो म्हणल्यार कितें? म्हणजे आज आमदार हिंग गेलो आनी रातीको तेणें कितें केलें इन्सिडेंट, दॅट मीन्स आमी गेल्ले म्हणून इन्सिडेंट केलो. You are doing wrong to the community. You are misusing your power, and because we are opposing, to जीव दितो म्हणून आमी हे करतले भितले.
करेक्ट दिस डिसिजन.
Correct the decision, that is what you are saying. But we cannot get worried that someone will take
हांव तेची मिसेस उलयता. फाल्यां कितें जालें ह्यो जिम्मेदारी
यान घेन बसनाका, दबाव करते. यान टेन्शन घेनाका.
do it. I'm telling you. सगळो रिक्वेस्ट करून गेलाय. इतली जिदे राव नाका. इतली जिदे राव नाका. केन्ना फडफडतलो तो सांगपा जायना. Don't do like this. See, we are actually elected members. I am not come here to give you ज्ञान and भाषण देवाचे. But definitely आम गोंयकार म्हटली आम ते आहा. It is in our blood. So do it. make sure that you don't continue like this. आजूकोर एक पेपर झाला पेपर हाडया put up some initials तू ट्रान्सफर कोटा कोण दिया I will wholeheartedly back you. Cruz will back you, we will back you. तुझं तर कितें जाता तुगे जॉबाचेर हे तू स्टेप घेत म्हणून फाटे घेत म्हणून I will back you. I will personally back you. I will talk to all the ministers who are there in the BJP today. If you are going to support the people, take back your signatures and scrap up this. I will talk to everybody in the BJP to get government a job. I will do that, and you will see it in written, in voice, everything I will do. पण हे आज तू करून जाय. You all are agreeing?
Yes.
You should do it. We are human beings. Want to वडा काय करपा ना तुका तू हार्ड गेल म्हणून सिग्नेचर बट तू उरलो रिकॉर्डार गोंयकारांक बऱ्या पडले तुवें हार्ड गेल इट विल बी अ व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग डॉक्युमेंट तुवें जे आज तू एस कोन हार्ड घेयलें बरोवन दिलें इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ स्ट्रॉंग डॉक्युमेंट इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ एंड वी आर गोइंग टू विन दिस मॅटर एंड मेक शुअर द मेसेज गोज टू गोवा आणि बुधानी फाटल्यान रेस मार्गोजा फाटल्यान लोधा सगल्या कॉन्करर ऑफ गोवा न्हू कॉन्कर आम कोतले आणि आमगे गोंयची फ्लॅग आणि इंडिया फ्लॅग घातली आमी तिंगा सो दॅट इज वॉट आय एम सेइंग दॅट इज वॉट वी हॅव टू पुट आवर नेम ऑफ गोवा ऑन एवरी लँड गोंयचें नांव ती आमगेलें भुमी ती आमगेली सो यू डू इट कॅन वी डू इट करता जातलें स्पिरिच्युअली मोटिवेट जाता भितरू Is somebody inside telling you, Orville, let's put a signature, let's do it? Is it happening inside? कितें? आणि कितें जाय? Forget the सरपंच बी कोण लागला तुका? You are the chair, सरपंच सोड. He is elected member. You are not elected member. You are not elected member. You are a government employee. Sarpanch is elected member. I am elected member. You have to put up a letter saying that boss, this is my decision which I had taken was wrong. That is on your own. No Sarpanch, no anybody else. Take a topic separate to area. We will deal. Your decision. I put my signatures in this. These are wrong. I take it back. I feel this project is not correct. Then the project is not correct. I take back all my signatures which I have signed towards this project. That's the one. No explanation done. Let another secretary come and let them redo the documents if they want to do. And ते मागीचे. तुगे डिसिजन कर मरे. आणि हे तुई केल जाल्यार अंकल हांव कन्विन्स करता आज ब्रेकफास्ट करता. काबार करता. हे तू कर. हांव कन्विन्स करता. You just write down one word sign कर. मागे कागदार पेपर. Please let's do it. हे काबार करूया. एक पेपर आहे काबार. This is how it happens. Goa is going to be making history. Poor Orville. I'm telling you, there is going to be a spiritual something that is going to come on you and you make it happen. Get a piece of paper. Let's put down on it. There is no big pressure. हात जोड, दोड बंद कर, चिंत. कोणा नाव घे पाहिजे नाव घे आणि spiritually come, boil down to yourself that you put down that things. Come. Do it. Do it. Do it. That is what we want. That is what Goa wants. आज गोंयकारां हेंच आहे Orville.
तर तेका लागून फुड कर न्हू
तुगे डिसिजन हाड घे बॉडी डिसिजन न्हू सरपंचाक कितें करपा ते सरपंच कोण दिया हे तू कर आज गोंय चोयता तुका पीपल वील ब्लेस यू आय एम टेलिंग यू द ब्लेसिंग यू आर गोइंग टू गेट नो विथ दिस वन साइन Orville कित्याक जायना उगत जालो वचपाचो देन what is that is stopping you? So you want this gentleman to continue. Okay, Eku request to take back your illegal signatures which you have signed. In the position of a Gram Sevak, you have been appointed illegally, which is not correct as per the law. When I put to King Dadlo, to yellow, and the yellow project signed to that. This project is not correct. You also very well know as what he says. He advocated a little bit about you, and if that is true, then let his advocacy towards you be correct. No? Otherwise, तू तेका wrong करून घेता. तू ती फावरा इतलो उलयलो. उलयतो. कित्याक उलयतो तेका बरो, but उलयतो. He has a concern towards you. गोंयकार न्हू तो. एक attachment जाता. So I think take this decision already. You can't do it, and you will not do it. So you are agreeing that this illegal signature what you have put down on those documents, you cannot take back. You can't take back the illegal signatures that you have put. Huh? So you want to retain those signatures. Illegal signatures put on the document, you want to retain it. You are of this decision? You want to retain the illegal signatures. Huh? So that means you are agreeing that all the signatures you have put is illegal and you want to retain
I'm
it.
not saying, you are saying it.
I am saying and you are saying yes, no?
I'm not saying yes.
You see what you are saying.
You are going to repeat the same thing, I'm not going to answer you to the same thing.
No, but
again
that is
and
what I am
again.
saying because you have signed illegally. And I am telling you to take back those, take affidavit again and apply a signatures.
There's no provision in law for that.
There is no provision. We create a provision for you, no. Affidavit is a provision for any law.
प्रोव्हिजन ना म्हणजे रिप्लाय मेळना शकला रिप्लाय मेळला तेच पण मारे आनी आनी कितें जाय तेका त्या सायडीन ना म्हणटा जालना तुवें ती कंडिशन घालून दिलाय न्हू लायसन्स दिता कंडिशन घालून दिल्ली न्हू ती कंडिशन ताणें फुलफील केलो न्हय तर त्याच्या स्कीप करूं मारे तेका
But so, I think from our side, I am going to put up a letter on this matter. We will combinedly draft a letter against his personally signing these documents in his personal capacity and putting these decisions across and not taking action. Anything you all would want me to do besides this particular thing, I think you can always discuss and we will put it across.
We will give you a memorandum.
Huh?
I will give you a memorandum for that.